Hi, welcome guys. So you are here because you don't want to do Airbnb, but you don't know how to do it, and you have no idea how to do it. And you listen to so many people, you don't know what's right and what's not, right? So what everyone else telling you, all the Airbnb gurus out there telling you to do vacation rental, which is a lot of work. You're gonna get a lot of work, and they're gonna try the tenants there will invite a bunch of friends, they throw events, they throw party and trash your place, right? And even if you make it happen, it's like another job. And it's not a recession proof, you know. Remember COVID? Most of vacation rentals shut down, right? A lot of people in the industry, even include all the gurus out there, got their business shut down by 50%, 80%, the whole thing, right? And then they tell you to find, everyone else tell you to find the property yourself, do it yourself, right? And good luck, right? Maybe you buy an online course, but there's no support. So how do you really know that that is a good deal or not? You know, you can guess, but guessing can, charge you a lot of money, cost you a lot of money. And then they also tell you go out there and pitch the landlord yourself. You have no credibility, you got no leverage, right? And you're trying to pitch somebody that been doing it for a long time, and they're gonna ask you, how many have you done? Show me something. You're gonna be like, oh, it's my first one or it's my second one. I don't know, come on, right? And then they tell you to only rely on Airbnb for one source of all your bookings. That's very dangerous, guys. All your eggs in one basket. Come on, that's very hard. Okay. And then no support with online courses. 99% of you gonna get stuck. You know where to turn. You can try to call 1-800 number or an email ticket, and hopefully 3 days later, somebody from India or something can, answer your questions, right? I mean, come on, group coaching with thousands of people, right? And you're gonna get lost in the sea of thousands of people, or in the big like Facebook group, there's no one-on-one support, right? Now, how about come over here in the easy way? Why? Because we do corporate housing, longer stays, higher caliber, less risk. Okay. Longer stay, meaning they're going to stay with us for 3, 4, 5 months at a time, guys. It's so easy. They just come in, they stay 3, 4, 5 months. I don't have to worry about it. Boom, it's done, right? Very higher caliber people because they're already a working professional. They have jobs. Also, insurance housing, insurance for housing for families who are going through disaster, and we provide homes for them. It's very rewarding, and also it's very easy because insurance pay very well and they stay for a long time, right? So less risk because these are homeowners and professionals. Also, and I help you analyze your deals and the market too. I know this like the back of my hand. I've been doing this for 6 years, 30 plus properties, right? Within a few minutes, I know if it's a good deal or a bad deal, right? And I know your markets. I can figure out your golden pie where you should focus your energy on, so you don't waste your time, right? And you leverage my credibility and expertise, a 7-figure, multiple millions dollars revenue generated through this corporate housing industry, Airbnb, VRBO as well, right? You can leverage me. And instead of saying, this is my first one, you can leverage my experience. Say, my coach, my mentor have done 30 plus of these, right? You want to talk with him? Get me on the phone. I close them for you. Done. Boom, like that. Easy, right? And then I'm going to share with you my secrets about getting direct bookings. So you can get checks like this, guys. $6,000 for a home on a per month. I rent it out for 2,000, guys. Okay. Here, another one, 5,600, another one for 9,000, right? The list goes on, guys. Why are these so powerful? Because these are 100% profit. Like, not 100% profit, but like, you don't have to share any of it with Airbnb, right? You don't have to share with it with RVO, okay? So keep a lot of it for yourself, okay? And also, you're gonna get one-on-one support with me. You got intensive coaching with me, so that way I know exactly what your situation is. I will customize a plan for you. Whenever you get stuck, you know who to call. You're gonna get my cell phone, you're gonna get everything, okay? So you know who to connect to, okay? Then you're gonna join a high-level mastermind accountability partner. Everybody come in here, have to go through an interview. We're gonna make sure it's a good fit, make sure they are nice, they have good intention, they are here for the right reason, right? We don't accept anybody, even though they make a bunch of money. And if they not nice, if they jerk, I don't want them, right? Keep your money. I don't care. I'm good. Okay. I created this mastermind to have the highest caliber of people who are at the top in their field, or just the regular starting out people, but they want to get better. They are really coachable. Then join our mastermind, right? If not, don't waste our time, please. We got the line out the door. So many people want to get in. And I also have a max capacity of how many I can bring on per month, because there's a lot of one-on-one support and intensive coaching, right? So to me, success is like a maze. The other side is your success, your financial freedom. You want to get out of that maze, right? You can take years to try to figure it yourself, or just buy a bunch of online courses and trying to figure it yourself. Maybe you get lucky, but that's like 1 out of 100, right? Wouldn't it be so much more better if you have somebody who have done it, generate millions and millions of dollars from it already, like me, to show you exactly, just make 2 left, 2 right, 2 left. I hold you by the hand, I run with you. And you get out of the maze and you get freedom. You can take care of your loved one, travel around the world, work on your passion, right? And your purpose, instead of just clock in and clock out, right? I mean, come on, this is such a no-brainer. To sweeten the deal, I even give you a 2x better than money back guarantee. I am the only one in my industry that's doing this that I know of, okay? It's a no-brainer, guys. So click on the link below, sign up, okay? And one of my team consultant, top consultant, will take you through an interview process. They will give you some free value as well, $1,000 worth of their time, right? To really strategize for you, to show you, know about you, and figure out, customize a plan for you, okay? And see if you're a good fit for us. If not, no worries, but if you are serious and if you're committed, and if you're not a tire kicker, if you're not here just to check things out or just to get more information and not really serious, then we don't want you, okay? But if you're serious and if you're committed, you are coachable, you're persistent, then sign up on the link below, guys. This is the best way I found to get financial freedom in 20 years of entrepreneurship. I invested over $600,000 into myself, both formally and informally. I went to MBA school. I went to pharmacy school. I fly all over the world trying to find the best method to get financial freedom. This is the best one I found for me. So I hope I can help you with that. It's really only take a few hours a week once you know what I know to get you financial freedom within months, guys. I'm talking about months, not years, not decades, right? So with that, guys, click on the link below, sign up if you are serious, and then we see you on the other side. Take care and God bless.